The new lab, pretty good. I would say I like it.
We're supposed to open or start with opening a tech lab. Now it's 1 year later and we opened the tech lab.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Buzzing, I would say. So a lot of energy, it's really lively.
The people, amazing.
So everybody is so smart, energetic, excited, willing to solve problems together.
I think I really love the mission, so the whole clean energy, clean tech thing, and I also like the startup environment.
Getting behind our mission is kind of easy, I feel like. At least for me, it's such common sense that I don't want to convince anyone.
If you want to join 1KOMMA5, I think you should prepare for a ride.
We are developing features so fast, like we are making decisions so fast.
At 1KOMMA5, I think it's really, really important that people are curious about their work and show some kind of initiative.
I think we're not at that kind of company where everybody tries to pretend to be somewhere else or tries to fit in, but rather just really be yourself. And if it's a fit, then I think it's a good edge and a good advantage you can leverage here.
Collaboration with other team members, communication, mentorship.
The obvious ones also apply, right? Like, just don't be an ass.
Showing some initiative and curiosity. So yeah, I would just really encourage everyone to consider that as well.
I'm looking for high five.
Call to
Something I
action.
want to drop.
Get part of the team.
Come join us, help making new energy happen.
Yeah, be part of my team.
Yeah.
Let's apply. I don't know. I think it sounds weird, but like, yeah, apply and let's meet. I'm looking forward to meet you all.